Struggling to make thumbnails? Forget Photoshop. AI can make them in just 2 minutes and it's completely free. What's up guys, NC here, and today I will show you how to create a professional thumbnail using only AI. To generate thumbnails we need two AI. First one is ChatGPT, so I will open ChatGPT. Here we need to type suggest some thumbnail ideas with a person in it showing a suitable expression for a video. Then here we need to write our title, video title. So I will write how to grow a YouTube channel in 30 days. As you can see, ChatGPT already giving me some ideas about my thumbnail. So I will choose first one. For example, I will select this text and copy it. Okay, I copied it. Now here we need to write give me prompt to generate image based on this. Then we need to paste our script, and if we submit, ChatGPT will give me prompt, and we need to first copy the prompt. Then we'll go to our next AI. Our next AI is ideogram.ai. Here I need to type ideogram.ai. Now we need to sign in first, so I will use my Google account to sign in. After signing, we will get 12 credit every week, and we can generate up to 4 thumbnails using those credit. Now what we need to do is first click on the plus button, then click generate, and then we need to paste our prompt here, and we can also change our style, model, magic prompt, character, or other aspect ratio or other settings, but I prefer go to the default setting, and then click generate. As you can see, my thumbnail is right now generating, and it will take about 30 to 1 minutes. As you can see, my thumbnails are ready. Now we need to click on the gallery button, and here we can see our thumbnails. We can also see our previous thumbnails. And if you want to download your thumbnails, you need to simply click on any thumbnails you like, then go to the 3-dot menu and then click download, and you can download your thumbnails. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video.